What do we need?
20.
20 mil. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Nope, it's not.
Sit in the back, come in the front and just get your files.
Thanks, man. Thanks. You don't just take, you sit there. You don't just take. You don't come back, here's your seat. I want you here. Because you can't be taking things from here on LADINE relaxer. 15 times 80. How much does it give you? 1,200. 1,200. Let's times the same 15 by the 300. I'm begging you, I'm pleading with you. Are you with me?
Yes.
Are you still with me?
Yes.
Do you still love me?
Yes.
Oh, there's little yeses, now you with passion. What makes LADINE different from all these other relaxers, it's not just the chemical that I've shown you, but also products like the prefix, the products, 2 key products. So big and it shows everything in high definition. So if you look at the cuticles layers, how they are laid on our hair. I know some people when we walk into the salon and start talking this language, it's like insulting them. People, don't feel offended. Call us, we're here for you. Come to our classes, because we are able to explain this even better. When we are in a classroom situation, we will help you. We will firstly, before we teach you chemicals, teach you how to build hair, the layers of the hair shaft. Because there's even more that you can learn from there.
It's this much. And you find someone who uses a professional product, they've got very thick hair, very dark hair, it's not brown, it's not greasy. Because that's what we do, we normally grease the products. That's what you rely on, isn't it? It's too much oil moisturizer, too much hair food, and all those things to keep our hair shiny. If there's no products like that, then it's not a perfect relaxer.
What is Josh doing now? He's making the head dancing.